So ayun mga bossing, sagutin lang natin si Bossing Brian na hindi niya daw gusto yung amoy ng ating gentleman. So wala tayong magagawa kay Bossing since hindi niya trip yung balance ng sweetness, woody and powdery type of scent. Ang trip ni Bossing is yung medyo manly, yung datingan and very versatile na pwedeng gamitin anytime, anywhere. No, you can use it even on summertime or rainy days. So this is the Debonair from the Father and Son. Napaka-safe nito i-blind buy since pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime and anywhere mga bossing ko. So, yung trip ni Bossing Brian is yung see-through, fresh and fruity with a touch of woody, smoky, and musky. So yun yung trip ni Bossing Brian, no? So hindi natin siya mapipilit about the gentleman. So kung Debonair Bossing ang pinili mo, talagang good choice din talaga yung pagpili mo dito kay Debonair. Alam naman natin na si Debonair, it has a good performance na hindi ka bibiguin when you wearing this type of perfume. So ayan mga bossing, kanya-kanya tayo ng trip, kanya-kanya tayo ng gusto dito sa mga line-up ni Father and Son. So ako, both ito gusto ko, and then wala din ako talagang masabi sa performance ng mga line-up ni Father and Son.